Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are diving back into the world of Squarespace. Squarespace is a really cool all-in-one platform. It's got an easy drag and drop builder. It's great for creatives, small businesses, portfolios, things like that. And the good thing about Squarespace is that it's SEO friendly by default. Squarespace has built-in SEO tools. It's designed to help your website get found on Google and optimize it for your search and for visitors as well. You don't need any extra plugins like with WordPress, but there are a few things that you need to tweak manually, such as page titles, descriptions, hiding pages, controlling social images, and things like that. What comes already with the Squarespace that you don't need to tweak are things like sitemaps. When you create a site on Squarespace, it comes with a sitemap using the XML format, so you don't need to create one manually. All Squarespace domains and third-party domains also include free SSL. So your SSL security will be there, and all the templates on Squarespace are mobile friendly. So with Squarespace, there's so many popular templates that are designed by designers, and they're already designed to be mobile responsive. So you already have that checked in as well. So yeah, when it comes to SEO with Squarespace, those things are already done for you. There's just a few things here and there that you'll need to do yourself. Squarespace has been quietly leveling up with AI, integrating it across platforms to make building and managing websites faster, easier, smarter, especially for non-techie users or solo entrepreneurs. Some things that AI is being fueled by on Squarespace is the AI site builder. So essentially, you answer a series of questions, your business type, and it generates a fully structured site with suggested pages, sections, fonts, color palette, things like that. It's good for fast launches, first-time users, testing ideas, things like that. There's also the AI content writer. So built into the text editor is Squarespace's OpenAI-powered writing assistant that will help you write text blocks, posts, product descriptions, things like that. And AI image integration as well. It plays well with AI image tools, visuals from DALL-E, Canva, AI, and things like that. So without further ado, let's get started and build our site with Squarespace AI. So now let's talk about writing website copy with AI. So this is another website that we have here, and I'm going to show you how to use the Squarespace's AI content generator to write your website copy. So you can use AI to help you write the copy on your website, and it can be for anything. It could be maybe some content for your hero section. It can be content for product descriptions. It can be for an About Us page. It's quite easy to use, and again, is built into the Squarespace platform. So for example, all you need to do is highlight any bits of text, so like this one, for example, and you just want to click on the edit text section. And then once you are into this edit text editor, all you need to do is click on this little icon here on the left. And you just need to say what it is that you're wanting to add. So for example, we want a paragraph about our sustainable kids wear. And you can say high quality materials and running. And then you are just going to hit enter and let the AI kind of do the work for you. You can then use the AI to tweak it slightly, so you can simplify it, shorten it, lengthen it. These are just suggestions, but you can also ask it to change the tone and to make it more playful and persuasive. So you can really tweak it to how you really want it, to be honest, and it will then update the text that you have as well. And it'll just do it automatically within time as well. So you can see that was the previous one. We'll just remove that. And this is the new one that we have here. Again, with AI content, it's really great to, in terms of getting fast copy for your website, especially if you don't come from like a sort of copy background and writing things can be a bit difficult. The AI can help you kind of flesh things out. You want to make sure that you double check the content that it's written, make sure that it's correct, the spelling is correct, what they're talking about is accurate. And always have that kind of human input in that. But ideally, you can just ask it to write anything that you want ask it to include the different aspects of your business, what it is that you want mentioned in that paragraph. And then it'll just write it for you. And then you could just leave it like that as well. Another tool that you can use is ChatGPT. So you can essentially tweak content with external tools like ChatGPT, even like Jasper AI, Claude, Perplexity, for more control. So for some people, they might like to start and write the first draft there, paste it into Squarespace and edit for clarity in SEO. So you could say, I need a paragraph for my sustainable website. So essentially I wrote the same thing that I wrote in the Squarespace AI, and I'm just going to see what it comes up with. And you can just kind of compare the two. If you prefer the ChatGPT style of writing, you can just take it from ChatGPT and paste it in. If you prefer having everything built into the within the Squarespace platform, you could stick with the Squarespace platform. What's important is that you read through the content, make sure that it's accurate, and tweak it to however you need. So there you have it, a fully functioning website built using only AI tools from layout to content. It's really fast, accessible, surprisingly creative. It's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to move quickly without compromising quality. If you want me to try this with other platforms or test advanced AI integrations, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more digital website builds, no fluff SEO content, powered by tech, things like that. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.